Is your Targus docking station not detecting your HDMI monitor? Let's troubleshoot the basic hardware steps first. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the docking station and the monitor. Next, try a different HDMI cable that you know is working. A loose or faulty cable is a common issue. Then, verify that the monitor is powered on and set to the correct HDMI input. Confirm that your Targus docking station is receiving adequate power, such as a 65 watts adapter for the ACP series. Insufficient power can cause intermittent detection. If these basic steps don't resolve the issue, the problem likely lies in software or hardware compatibility. If physical connections are solid, update your drivers. Targus docking stations often rely on DisplayLink drivers for USB to video conversion. Visit the Targus support site and download the latest drivers for your specific docking station model and operating system, such as Windows 11 or macOS Sequoia. After updating, restart your computer. If problems persist, reset the docking station's firmware using the Targus Utility app. For Windows users, check the Device Manager for any flagged devices related to the docking station. macOS users can use System Preferences to manage displays. As a last resort, consider that some Targus models like the Dock 190 USZ had reported HDMI port failures. If under warranty, contact Targus support for hardware replacement. Remember, regular software and firmware updates are crucial for preventing future issues.